we have another unboxing video. This is a Dakota lithium battery, 24 volt, and it comes with a charger. This is the sole reason I went with the Dakota lithium battery line, is when you go to their website, they have their batteries, their shore power battery chargers. They do have solar chargers and inverters there. All Dakota brand stuff, all in one spot. So when you buy their battery, it comes with a battery charger. If you need an upgrade, you can go back to the website and buy a battery charger. It's all designed to work for their batteries. Batteries and battery chargers need to be paired. You need lithium chargers for lithium batteries. You need AMG chargers for AMG batteries, or at least an AMG setting. Some battery chargers you can set between old-fashioned lead acid, gel batteries, and even lithium batteries, and some have all the above. So we're going to unbox this guy, take a look at him, get him charged up for the initial charge. It took maybe about a week to get here. Total price $1,060 after taxes. Comes with a charger and the batteries. Charge before use. Nice little warning label there. We can't have anything without a warning label. Directions. Step 1, how to fuse it, how to wire it up. I will say on their website, very handy information on the website. After I ordered the battery, I got an email with a PDF file about proper wiring techniques, proper charging, graphs on battery cable sizes. Nice little decal sticker. I'll put that on the van. Another thing about lithium batteries is they're not that heavy. Very nicely wrapped with plastic bubble wrap, a little bit of styrofoam. I like these little styrofoam trays. I repurpose them, put nuts and bolts in them, use them for in and around working on vehicles and whatnot, and it doesn't scratch things up. Some nice lugs, very nice lugs. Okay, gravity test. This is a bonus feature. I did not see this coming. They sent us a fuse, 60 amp fuse. Very nice. I did not see this included with the price. I guess that's standard. If that's a standard option, that's a very nice addition to this, because I was actually going to run out tomorrow morning after this gets charged up before I hook it up and find a fuse for this thing. They send you plenty of information, easy to read, easy to understand. Green light turns on when it's fully charged, red light is on when it's not charged. It's very simple. It'd be nice to have a graph on here to tell you how the percentage of where you're at, but you know, it is what it is. So here's our charger, 24 volt, 5 amp charger. Simple little charger, nothing fancy, but it gets you going. You know, you buy the battery, get the charger, and you're in business. You're not looking around for other stuff. That's some nice extra kit they sent with us. You got black and red on the top, so you know it's not to mix them up. And you can thread them backwards, so be careful if you're threading these in. Make sure you put those in the right way. We have some nice lock washers and washers here. This is a nice setup. So far I'm very impressed with this whole setup here. Yeah, let's not short that out, that would be bad. So we'll just snug these up, throw it on the charger. 14 mil wrench tightens these up nice. Out of the box we'll check some voltage here. 26.3 out of the box. I don't know if I can, let me put that up here so you guys can see it. And we got 26.3. So far I'm liking this. It's clean, it's built nice. I don't know the date code on it. Somebody said there's a date code on these. There's something on the back here, some kind of little sticker for maybe a date code. Delivering power, no, blah blah blah. LED will turn green when the battery's fully charged. So I guess step 1, plug the charger directly into a functional wall socket. I do have a little green light on, which tells me I have power to my charger. Red to red, red to positive, black to negative. Charger, it comes with a nice little fan, nice little cooling fan. I'm going to check the time and see how long this takes to charge up. So, quick recap, you get a nice fuse with this. I did not remember reading about that, but hey, that's a little bonus feature. It comes with nice hardware to mount your battery cables too. If you're going to clamp the battery cables, you can use the lugs. If you're going to just use the big ring terminals, such as, you know, this guy here, you know, boom, you got it. It says it has short circuit protection. I'm not going to try it. Let's not test that feature. So we'll let this charge. And this thing's cycling on and off. Fan on, fan off. I'm assuming it's doing that to kind of just top it off. So I hope that's normal. I'm assuming that's normal for that to cycle on and off. So after a good 8-hour overnight charge, 8 to 10 hours, my solid green light is illuminated. My battery's fully charged. Once I disconnect from shore power, I will flip this toggle switch to the off position, disconnecting the battery from the charger and eliminating the phantom load between the charger and the battery. So we'll leave that on for now. So 24 volts at 60 amp hours. That should last me all day. I don't pull any more than 10 amps. The freezer, the fan, radio, and some lighting all at once pulls maybe 12 amps. If that. And I don't have all that stuff running at the same time. The freezer cycles on and off. So this should give me, you know, an all-day run for the ice cream truck here. That's really all I'm after. You know, if I need more, I will buy another one of these in a heartbeat. I don't want to spend the money, but if I need to, I will buy another Dakota battery. So far, I really like this setup. I put some shims underneath this fuse, and I put it basically on top of the battery, so it doesn't cantilever out the side. Thank you all for watching, and have a good day. Bye bye.